What's up everyone, this is Rahib Ali from DIY Tech, and today I will show you how to repair LED bulbs at home. So let's do it. If you look at the internet, there are lots of methods everyone is showing that you can repair LED bulbs. So I did some research and I found this instructable, and I'll explain how it works. First of all, you need to remove the top cover of the LED bulb. It's very easy, you just need to add some force and you can remove it. After that, you will need a multimeter. If you don't have this, don't worry, I'll show you another method which does not require this multimeter. So after removing the top cover, you will see the LEDs. If there are some burned LEDs, you will see some black spots over there. After that, you need to check the LEDs using multimeter. You just need to set your multimeter continuity mode on the continuity mode so it beeps and adds some power to the LED, and if it glows, that means this LED is fine, and if it doesn't glow, you know that it's a faulty LED and you need to replace it. So if you have a new LED, you can just simply desolder the old LED and add the new one. But if you don't have a new LED, then I have another solution for that. If you don't have the new LED, so if you don't, then you just need to add a wire between these two joints. What this wire will do, it will short the terminals and it will complete the series, so all the other LEDs will starting to glow and it will just fix your LED bulb. But if you have a new LED, then just add that one. This is the better option and they are very cheap in the market. So yeah, and the other method which does not require the multimeter is that just check the LEDs manually. Like if you see the LEDs, let me just Google a better image. So burn LED. Like this one, you will see the black spot over the LED. You just need to remove that and add a new LED, or just simply join these two pins together so it's basically short. Like this one, you see there are black spots. These are the bad LEDs. You need to replace those or just short the series so it works without this bulb, this LED, SMD LED, like this one. I have tried this method on my LED bulb and it works really well, so you should also try it and let me know if it works for you. And if you want me to practically do the all process, then please write it in the comment box below and subscribe to my channel, hit thumbs up, hit the bell icon so you get new notifications from my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.